So welcome guys, Martin here, and today we are at the Westgate Mall at the Samsung Experience Store, ready to do the unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So as you can see, here is my phone with me. The box is very sleek. Let's proceed to opening it and then see what does it come with it inside. So here is my phone, and inside this tiny box, the only thing you can find, I can see, is the user manual and the charging cable, the C2C charging cable, and the SIM slot ejector. And here it is, my phone, the Samsung A73 5G. It's awesome gray in color. It's very beautiful, as you can see. So this new Samsung Galaxy A73 5G comes with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. It is also IP67 rated for water and dust resistance. So for the SIM placement, you can see it comes with a SIM slot on top here. This supports up to 2 SIM cards, but it is a hybrid, which means you can either expand your memory using a memory card, or you use both SIM cards on the slot. Down here we have the USB charging port and the stereo speakers. The stereo speaker is the new feature which enables you to have that quality sound while listening to music or watching movies. And as you can see in front here, we have a hole punch camera which is 32 megapixels. So the new Samsung Galaxy A73 5G comes with a 108 megapixels camera with optical image stabilization and an advanced video digital image stabilization. It is also supported with a 12 megapixels ultra wide camera. There is a 5 megapixels macro camera, and there's a 5 megapixels bokeh camera. Samsung Galaxy A73 5G comes with a battery of 5000 milliamps, and it supports up to 25 watts of super fast charge, which that will enable you to have sufficient time when playing games, listening to music, or watching movies. Another fancy feature about this phone is the RAM Plus feature, which will enable you to increase your RAM just in case you are operating your phone and you realize that it is slow in performance. So how you do it, you just come to the settings and search for the RAM Plus option, and down there you will see some option to increase on your RAM. So as you can see, it was on 4, then I can put it at 8. That will make my phone to be more fast in performance. On the security features, it comes with an on-screen fingerprint, which you can set it up in the setting. So you can decide to put the on-screen fingerprint or the pattern, password, or whichever that you want to use.